Yo, good morning everybody. Thanks for tuning in today. Appreciate y'all still showing the channel love here. I do apologize I haven't been able to post any videos over the last couple of weeks. I've kind of been busy with some work on my end here and keeping me real active at work, so I'm trying to squeeze in some trading here and there when I can. But this is kind of just a real sneak peek on what's been going on here for the month of November. I had to fill y'all in on some of these trades that I've been looking at, things that we've been talking about in the past, and just let y'all know, what direction we're looking to move for this month, moving into December and the end of the year. It's kind of a lot I want to catch up on. I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit it all into this one video, but I'm going to try to put another one out there later this afternoon. But off the back, y'all, I got 4 of our top picks here on the charts that we're going to cover. For those of y'all that are new to the channel, if you want to be in the know on some of these pre-breakout stocks, that's kind of what we're looking to do here. We like to follow those stocks that are looking to break out, wanting to get in before they actually move and put some money in our pockets. If those are things you want to learn about, things you like to know about, you got to hit that subscribe and be in the know every time I drop one of these. But off the back, y'all, let's jump in it here. Wow, we got 4 of our top picks up here on the charts. Number 1, we have GREE, which is one we're going to cover here. Greenidge Generation Holdings. This one's a little more pricier than we normally trade, but we're going to catch up on the reason behind this stock here. Stock number 2 is BBIG. We're still going big with BBIG Vinco Ventures. This is one we've been trading in the past. I know we've seen a lot of downplay over the last few weeks, but we're definitely going to catch you up on what's going on with this stock here. Stock number 3 is ANY, Sphere 3D. And then we also have AQST, Aquestive Therapeutics. This is one of some of our viewers have been wanting an update on. I know this one's been making some massive moves over the last few days, and there's been some good news posted on this one here also. We're going to fill y'all in on there. I have 2 other ones that I want to cover. I'm going to see if we have enough time to get into those today. If not, I'm going to be adding those into our afternoon video that I drop. But hopefully we'll have enough time on this session here, and we can cover those also. But let's go ahead and jump right in here for Greenidge Generation Holdings. So as you can see here on the daily, Greenidge Generation, GREE, for those of y'all that have been following the channel, this stock here used to be SPRT, known as support.com. And back in, a couple months back, I called it at $4 when we thought we were going to make that big move. When we did, we broke out. And since then, as you can see, we've pushed all the way up to $60 here on the daily. This is a gap up here above this red line. This is a line where I'm looking to our main support and resistance level here. As you can see, this is where we're looking at the sell-off points, as well as the resistance levels where we're hitting those levels here over the last few days, and we continue to retrace back down. But we're looking to break through this level here pretty soon. As you can see, this is a ultimate short squeeze candidate here. It's been posting in the blogs and things like that. This one can really move. There's a lot of short sellers that are positioned on this stock, and as you can see from these all-time highs, we've already come back down. We've hit off of this moving average, more or less, this 50-day, which we're holding above right now. But the trend line I've drawn is kind of more or less the support level where we're looking to have to stay above. This is kind of what we're following here as we start to push higher. And we may look to, I'm hoping we can squeeze out here in the next couple of days, hopefully today, tomorrow, I don't know. We can come all the way back down here and we can still consolidate into this wedge. I just know that there's a 85, 79 or something, an $85 price target everybody's calling. For some of these other analysts, this stock actually has a high of $91 here in the 4-hour, which it reached in the pre-market one day. And as you can see, we've sold off since, coming all the way back down, but we've been holding around this level. And on the daily, as you can see, we're already starting to trend back up here once we broke back up here above that $23 mark. So this is one I feel is this one's been moving, up and down $5 or so every day, and we're consolidating within this range as we speak. I might clean up this chart a little bit better just to get some better technical points here. But I'm heavily invested in this one also. I got a few $1,000s in this one. I already know how this one can move, buying in it before at that $4 mark. We squeezed up, I like 5 or 6 times my money at that time. Sold off. I had no idea we would squeeze up to these levels. Although I heard the gossip, I sold out, and then by that time it was too volatile for me to jump back in, and I kind of just waited it off. We're at $20, and I didn't really feel we're gonna push higher. But knowing that this company's got some big news it's about to release, I don't really know the news as of right now. I got to dig around. There's just so much out there I've been kind of gathering. I don't want to confuse anybody. But I do know they got some big news they're releasing when it comes to their company and what they're doing. This is a Bitcoin mining, clean energy company. The future behind the cryptocurrency marketing and things like that. They're the ones kind of out there trying to conserve energy and things like that, finding a cleaner way in order to mine this cryptocurrency, and they're being they're making progress is all I can say. They're looking to be successful at what they're doing right now. There's a lot of interest around the stock, as you can see, as we're starting to squeeze back up, and we're looking to break through this $30 mark and look to hit these all-time highs. They're saying $85 price target. If I can 3 times my money, I'm all for that. If we come back down to the low side, I might lose $3-4 on the trade. But the upside to me, there's a lot more weighted to the upside than the downside. So I'm looking to trade this one here. I had to call this one here as we're at a low. We're at $26, a little higher than when I bought in. But like I'm saying, we've already been playing around that $30 to $31 range. And if you're looking to get in this one for those high gains here over the next few weeks, I think this one's looking to make those big moves soon. And we're looking to break out through this level here coming, any day now, y'all. It's kind of how it's looking. We're waiting for the news. As you can see here, $82 price target. Stock is a screaming buy. Everybody's posting alpha blogs and reports on this one. They just launched a Bitmain equipment. They got all of these option alerts going out, like raising price. Look, there's so much going on around this stock right now. I can't even discuss every little detail, but all I know is get in while y'all can, y'all. I'm calling it now. If you aren't already watching it, add it to the watch list, y'all. This one's a little higher. We like to normally trade under $10, between $2 and $10, but hey, I'm invested in this one. I really feel like I can triple my money, so I'm gonna jump on this one here. But yeah, GREE, add it, y'all. Watch it. If you don't want to invest, just keep an eye on it. I'm just throwing it out there. Alright, y'all. Stock number 2, BBIG. Vinco Ventures. We're still going big with BBIG, y'all. I'm riding the wave on this one. Now, we've been following this one since back here around $3. We broke out. I bought in, sold out, bought back in at 6, rode it up. I should have sold out here. We thought we were going to push up higher. We waited for it to come down, and then I believe the company sold off some shares knowing it had that gain, caused it to drop. Some other bad news was published, caused it to drop. They got some new news, pushed back up. Management change, dropped back down. Like, this has been an up and down trend over the last few weeks, couple months. And I'm sure everybody's seen it come all the way back down to these lows, and y'all are probably like, man, what's going on? Like, y'all starting to worry. I worried also, y'all. I'm not even going to lie. I sold out before breaking back down through my low. I seen a lot of down pressure. Sold my shares above, close to like 7. Made a little money, not much. And I waited it out. Come all the way back down here to a low, bought back in, doubled up on my shares. They got some big things coming. Their Cryptide spinoff, they're about to release, I don't know if it's the end of this month, moving into December. NFT, digital art technology, crypto mining, all this stuff is the new generation of, the future, things that are going on. There's just not enough around this right now to really validate what they're doing. As far as what I believe in as to where we're going, Facebook, Metaverse, all this other stuff that's going on, the crypto market, you see Bitcoin mining and all this other stuff going on, all this cryptocurrency trading. This has something to do with all that. Whether you believe so or not, this is the future. And if this is the company that started off first, we got a lot of big artists out there that are already, investing in this company, doing things with this company, partnering up. And it's just a matter of time, y'all. If you're going to get in at a low, if you check the weekly here. Now, I have this channel drawn in the past. I might have to do another analysis going off of where we're at today. But I also have a trend line here in the purple where we're holding kind of here on the weekly. Now, looking at the weekly also, we've already come all the way back down. We're looking to hold right here. But this looks to be a key level for me. Looking back through, all the way right here. You see how we're touching all right here. We're touching. This looks to be a key level, give or take. Now we can come back down here maybe. I'm following the trend line from that $1 mark all the way up. So I feel we bottomed out. We're looking for that reversal. People are still throwing $40 price targets to the valuation behind what they're doing with their new Lomotive app partnership. They have their Lomo Records. They have their Cryptide coming on. They have their they have a few other things. Their ad thing they got, no Riser. I don't know how you say that, but it's an ad company that publish their advertises their businesses and things. I don't know. They got so much different stuff going on. Read the logs. The blogs, I mean, check out the blogs behind this stock as to what the articles are posting, all the description behind what this company is doing. They're valued at a lot more, future valued at a lot more than where they're at now. Short selling, of course, they're going to sell us short, but how much more can they sell us down, man? There's not much more to sell. As you can see, that selling power, we've started to ease off little by little. We're starting to level out. Little by little, start to see it curl back up. We're looking for it to break through this $6 level here. I mean, we got to break 530 and then $6. $6 is the buy point that I have labeled here, though. You see that right here. So I scooped them up now, $4. I'm gonna get in at a low. I'll wait it out. I'm gonna ride this out till the new year. But I really feel like this one come New Year 2022, y'all, it's going to be a change in a lot that we're going to be seeing going on. Everything's moving digital, NFT, artwork, music. I play 2K now, and I'm already into these digital cards. Y'all play my team on 2K. These players and all that. This is kind of how it is. It's good to own things like that. You can have some type of these rareable collectibles. Like these are things that people put out there, and to have one at a different way of owning it digitally rather than actually. I mean, it's different now. Everything's digital. I mean, some people want to hold it in their hand, but if you can have it stored in a a wallet or something like that, and have an encryption code to where you're the only one that can own that, it's got to mean something too. You can't have it stolen. Somebody can't break in your house and steal it, or lose it somewhere. So that's a good thing, right? But I'm just letting y'all know, man, what I'm looking at here. Look at this buy. We're at 445. We closed 437 yesterday. We're already pushing higher this morning now. Are we already starting to trend back up? We'll find out, y'all. Next week, I really feel, if not today or tomorrow for this stock, we might start to see an increase on a reversal here. BBIG, y'all. Check it out. Watch it if you aren't already in it. We're riding the wave. Stock number 3, ANY. This is Sphere 3D. Man, I'm still loving this stock. I've been riding this one since the beginning, y'all. I'm way over here. I've been in this since July. Maybe not July, I'm sorry. August. Yeah, I bought in this one in August. And little by little, I'll see that uptrend. It's like just a little wave. Let me close at 669. We're at 667 this morning. Let's check out the news behind ANY. There's been a lot of news around this stock lately. Another alpha blog on this one also. Strong buy, price target at $29, y'all. We're at $7 right now. It's gonna, once their merger goes through, they have that, was it Gryphon, or I don't know how you pronounce that mining partnership that they have. They're about to release that and confirm the seal the deal here any day now. Once that's done, we're gonna gap up here pretty soon. We're kind of holding below that trend line, which is this purple line. It's kind of some resistance, give or take. But with the news posting, the crypto market, Bitcoin, has been increasing over the last few days, and we're gonna gap up here. Mara, Riot, you see how these are hitting their all-time highs. Marathon is at like $80 something last time I looked. I think it came down this morning because Bitcoin dipped, but that was also a few months back. Beginning of the year, it was like at $6-7 because I traded that stock also. Riot was another one. Look at Riot, Mara and Riot. That's a high, $41, $79. I mean, yeah, they came down because Bitcoin came down, but look, these were at this price range a few months back, doing the same thing that this company was doing, similar. But not only that, this Gryphon mining deal, they're looking to be the cleanest Bitcoin energy mining company in the world. Not the company, not the town, the city, the state, but the world. And it's a matter of time, I feel, before this one breaks out. We've been holding in this channel, which is the blue dotted dash line here. We've been in the middle of that, just riding it out. The 50-day moving average, you see this blue line here, and this is real bullish. And it's just a matter of time. We're gonna gap up here, hit this level, break through this level, and this will be a support level right here. So get in while y'all can. I'm calling it, y'all. If y'all aren't already in the know, y'all need to watch this stock. Check out the videos. I've been following this one for months. Like I said, I bought in, like $4 or so. And just look at these moves. It's been making sense. Like, yeah, man, we riding the wave on it. We know we riding the wave. Look at that. Surf's up, dude. Yeah, goofy, y'all. Y'all should already know by now. ANY, man, I'm just excited, man. Some good trades here, y'all. Matter of time, y'all. We're gonna make some money. We're gonna put some money in everybody's pocket. You gotta be in the know, though, y'all. You gotta be in the know. All right, y'all. Stock number 4. Kind of cutting it short here on time. AQST, Aquestive Therapeutics. For those of y'all that have been commenting, I'm about to put y'all down here. Pay attention, y'all. Look at the moves we've been making here over the last few days. We finally broke out that $4 level. I know we've been testing that level a few times here. I bought in somewhere around here, I believe. Bam. So I was like, all right, we're riding it. Sold off. Market sold off real bad that day, I remember. But knowing what the stock is doing, when you got confidence and you research and you dig into what companies are actually doing rather than just watching the price, you feel more confident in trading some of these trades, So when the viewers kind of shared this stock with me, I dug into a little bit, figured out what they're doing. And they got this pharma film technology. Are y'all familiar with the Listerine strips? Ones that you can just put in your mouth and it'll, clear up your bad breath or whatever. It just dissolves on your tongue. This company's developing a pharma film technology similar, but for medication. So instead of taking pills, you can take one of these things and it'll just dissolve, no flavor, no nothing. And you're taking your medication like that, and a lot of people don't like taking pills. I mean, I hate taking pills. I don't like medication at all. But people can't even swallow pills, the way they taste, and it's just a lot going on with that. And if they can develop this new technology for medication, I believe they're starting with just one type of medication. I got to look into what the medication is. I forget. But if this is a successful treatment that they're doing with just this one, and they start to develop new ones, sky's the limit, y'all. And as you can see, they just had their earnings report blow out the water over the last few days, and that caused this massive breakout right here. Bam. And then it was gone, y'all. Maybe it was right here actually, and they were gone, And now, as you can see, we're testing levels right now. We might pull back. I'm looking at this trend line here, so we're gonna be following this trend line. We'll look for a new resistance level. I'm gonna call it, about $7. So if you're already in here and you're looking for that pullback and you want to, take some profits, just watch that $7 mark. Because I believe on the weekly also, about $7. So yeah, 18. We have an all-time high. But look at the weekly. Tested that level. We finally broke through that 50-day moving. We still got to break through this level here. It says $7, you see. This is the 200-day exponential. Now, if we can break above the 200-day, this is going to turn real bullish on this stock. And we'll be looking to hit these all-time highs, maybe. We'll dig in. We'll have to dig in a little deeper on this one here, but We kind of came down a little bit already. Where are we at here? We closed at 614. We're up in the pre-market though, y'all. Check it out. So 619. We're not too much higher, but we may continue to push up. But watch that $7 mark, y'all, and we'll look for that pullback here, coming down closer to, you know, $5, 550 maybe. I'm gonna call maybe around 580 or so, give or take. We'll look for that as a pullback level. But yeah, man, loving what these companies are doing. You know, just gotta be patient, y'all. Be patient the last few months, and you're gonna get paid. You continue to trade in and out. I know it's exciting to, you know, gamble on some of these day trades, which I do sometimes. But after taking a few losses in a row, you kind of, I'm gonna wait it out. So I took a loss, you know, a few weeks back. Kind of got tired of playing with it right now. I'm gonna wait, maybe move into the new year, see what happens. But I'm invested in some of these new technology stocks, some of these crypto mining stocks, and some of these therapeutic stocks that are looking to make some changes here in the world here. But these are some of the 4 that I'm kind of focused on right now. I got 2 other ones I want to cover, but right now we're kind of cutting it a little short here, y'all. I know we're kind of reaching the opening market. It's about 8:22 a.m. and you know, I be talking, kind of took up a lot of y'all's morning today, but I'm gonna definitely fill y'all in on the other 2. For those of y'all that are viewing, checking out the video, you should probably already see what it is that I want to talk about, and I'm definitely gonna catch y'all up later this afternoon, or at least on the next post here, y'all. But for those of y'all that are, you know, liking the footage, thumbs up's always appreciated. Show the channel some love, and I'm gonna continue to be trying to update y'all on some of these picks here. If y'all have any comments, any suggestions, you know, feel free to leave them below, and I can definitely do an analysis on something y'all like to look at. But I appreciate everybody showing the love and continuing to, you know, view the footage here. And all the newcomers, subscribe, man, be in the know. You know, check out some of these videos, check out some of the old ones if you don't already know what some of these stocks are doing. But I'm doing this for y'all. Appreciate y'all, you know, taking the time, joining me today, and we'll catch up very soon, y'all. Peace out.